Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, okay, and in fact this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to, okay. So if you subscribe to the Wavemastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wavemastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Here's Singapore. Now, talking about China, talking about Asia, you can't leave Singapore out of the picture. Singapore is part and parcel of the whole thing, and we are in a 4th wave. And the idea is, the very bearish scenario, if you like, is that we have seen an A, we have seen a B. China had its own version of a B, and Singapore also had its own version of the B. And in the case of Singapore, we can work with the idea of that that's an A, B, C, D, E reaching a top right here. And the E itself took the shape of an ABC that terminated the C of the E terminated in a diagonal top. And now it's all coming unglued. It's all beginning to break down pretty massively, and the whole thing will go into, if you like, accelerated descent once we break 3,000. But the whole thing is looking very healthy. As far as the bears are concerned, this is looking great. And I began to sell this market. This is an A, B, C, D, E, and I think that's a very important top right here. And I've also followed this one very carefully with you. That was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4th wave. Kept low profile this week, correcting under the 200 moving average, but preparing the ground for another drop. That's what I hope. Yes, that's why I sold. You don't sell in order for it to rise, you know. You sell because you want to make some profits, and that's my 3. That's my A, B, C, D, E. If it's ready, it could even open gap down. Yes, don't be surprised. It doesn't open gap down. It continues to move around my triangle. I will be accommodating it with some alternatives here. This I can still sit through all that, although it's not exactly why I sold it, but these kind of things shouldn't really dislodge me. There is absolutely no reason. I will be rethinking my strategy if it builds a base above 33.60. That will worry me. I wouldn't like that one bit. But running around here is just delaying. It's just delaying. When it's ready, it's going to drop. We're talking about 1,000 points. 1,000 points here. So it's not too late to sell. If it doesn't open gap down by 300 points, it's still not too late to sell this market.